What's up guys, it's me and today it is my first vlog. So today we are going to do a lot of things. So first thing we're going to go to the mall and then my dog is going to have that injection thingy, I don't know what it's called. And then next I might buy some toys and I will open. So I'm just in my living room. Now I'm going to show you my dog. Yeah, my dog is a girl. Her name is Summer. She's very tiny. She's a Pomeranian. And over here is her. She's doing her makeup and it's already taking her 30 minutes. I'm just waiting for her. And I'm gonna see you in the mall in 3, 2, 1. Boop. I'm on my way home and I bought the Corny Chips, but now it has different groceries inside. So I'm gonna unbox it when I go home. So I'm just gonna continue videoing it. It's a lot of music in the background. Jingle bells. So, if I reach 30 subscribers, I will show you how I edit my videos. So, I'm gonna be at home in 3, 2, 1. So guys, I am back. And I'm at my house. And we're gonna do an unboxing of the new Corny Chips. Over here, my dog. Come, come. She is very, very playful right now. Look, it's a camera. Okay, so let's open this bad boy up. Yeah. There might be a little trash in here, so stay out, dog. Yep, you should get the dog first. No, go back. I'm just going to end that right there. And I'm just gonna open this because it's gonna take a long time. So there, I've opened it and there are a lot of nice groceries in here. So here, let me see, what is this? Comment down below if what you think this thing is. This is the rotten egg, the bad soy, leaky sunscreen, the horrid hamburger. I was about to say putrid hamburger. This is the sour milk. And this is the chip thingy. I don't know. Let me see first. We have 2 milk crates. Mystery milk crates. So let's open them up. By the way guys, this is the shirt I wore in the last video. Don't worry. I don't wear this shirt every day. It's just that I laundry and clean it. So very hard to open. Hopefully it doesn't fall out again like last time. So I'm just gonna get all of it. I'm gonna put it aside. Let's get the dog. Okay, thank you. So there's a lot of fuel here. Groceries. Over here, what is this? Is this like a slushie or something? Looks like a slushie. So first, I'm gonna get the receipt. I'm gonna put these mystery milk crates aside. Put them over here. So let me see what we have. So, over here, the first one. This is horrid hamburger. Put some details over there. See the ketchup, there's vegetables, there's a lot of cheese. The only thing is, there's some molds. That's very gross. So I'll just put that aside here. Next one is the rotten egg. It's very, very squishy. Why does it look like color green? Is it because it's rotten? I guess. Over here is a leaky sunscreen. I already have this, but this one is the purple and the pink and the yellow version. This one is the one I don't know yet because it's my first time to have it. Yep, I'm correct. It's the sour milk. Looks pretty gross. Over here is, what is this thing? What do you think this is? There's a lot of molds in it. Looks like it's from the snacks, but it's not. Oh, it's a cruddy chip. Are you serious? Is this like a Lay's potato chip or something? Over here is bad soy with that angry face. Then this one, oh, okay, now I get it. It is the toilet paper. Let me see what the name of this thing is. It is rough toilet paper. Very weird. I don't like it. I don't think I'm gonna use that when I poop. So what is this thing? You think it's a slushie? Let me see. It looks like a slushie because there's like a little straw over there, but looks like a spoon. So maybe it could be a slushie or soup. What is this? I can't find it. Oh, come on. Where is it? Oh, so in my mind I thought it was a slushy, but it's yuck yogurt. Yep, I was right. It had like a spoon thingy. I thought it was soup, but it's not. So, there, we're done with the revealed ones. Next up is the mystery milk crates. Hopefully we get some few good ones. Let's get them over here in my hand. Hello, beautiful box crate. So let's open up this first one. Let me feel it. Ooh, we got another moldy veg. Yay! There you go. Now, hopefully this hot pumpkin. Hey, yay! It's the sour pineapple, I think. Is it? Yup, it is the sour pineapple. Over here, we got an ultra rare. I'm so happy I have this in my collection of the moldy veg. So up here, the next one looks suspicious. It's not a moldy veg or anything. Oh, I think it is one of those sweets. Let me just bite it. And then, what is it? What is this thing? Is it lame licorice? It is. It's lame licorice. So, it looks pretty weird. Lame licorice. It's very sticky. So, that's it for today, guys. And thank you so much for a lot of support and subscribers. So please like and subscribe to me, and you can also comment down if my video was nice. Thank you. Bye bye. I'm just gonna put some pictures of what I got.